Meanwhile, there is no respite for Gajendra Chauhan as students of the FTII continue to protest against his appointment as the chairman of the Premier Institute. More voices from the film fraternity have also joined the chorus against Chauhan. Earlier, veteran actor Anupam Kher and Rishi Kapoor had said that Chauhan must quit as chairman. And now actor Nana Patekar and director Kabir Khan have also said that they agree with the demands with the students for his ouster. Meanwhile, FTII students in a letter to the Information and Broadcasting Minister have requested another session of dialogue to address their concerns. But there is no response yet from the ministry.
I definitely support the students. I think the government does not need to get into the nitty-gritties of the way an institution like FTII is concerned.
Has a very strong emotional
The appointment of the chairperson of FTII should not be a political appointment. There should be, they definitely need to take into consideration the credibility of a person, the appeal of a person. You know, at the end of the day, it is an intimate relationship between the students and the chairperson. And I just feel that the gentleman concerned himself should back off and have some dignity and say, okay, you guys don't want me, I don't need to be here, because you need to command respect, not demand it.
गजेंद्रची जर ती अपॉइंटमेंट झाली असेल, त्यांनी मी त्यालाही एक सांगेन की मी तुझ्या ठिकाणी असतो तर मी हे केलं असतं, जे मी जवाकाशी म्हटलं तसं. आपण आपल्या नेहमी जगण्याचा अर्थ असा असतो की आपण मानात जगावं. ते मला जर का तुम्ही इथे कॅमेरा तिकडे घेऊन चाललेले असेल आणि नाही माझ्यावर कॅमेरा ठेवा असं मी म्हणणे हे योग्य नाही. कारण मी नको असेल तर मी नको आहे. कुठेतरी माझी संधी संपते, कोणतरी नवीन येतो, तो मला रिप्लेस करतो, तो मोठा होतो, त्याची संधी दुसरा येतो.
But I don't want to comment on Gajendra Singh as a person because that is his life. But certainly FTII needs somebody who is much more qualified than whatever Gajendra Singh Ji's qualifications are coming across.
When आपकी जो openly आपको अपोज किया जा रहा है, आपकी खिल्ली मचाई जा रही है, आपका जुलूस निकाला जा रहा है, तो इस बीच में मेरे ख्याल में आपको अपने आप ही वॉलंटरली रिज़ाइन कर देना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर आप रहें भी और वो बच्चे जो सीखने आए FTII में, आपका और उनका रिलेशनशिप क्या रहेगा? गुरु चेले का क्या रिलेशनशिप हो, क्या इज्जत होगी आपकी?
Hearing about all the things that are happening now, with the appointing of the new chairman, which has gone against the students' wishes. I think it's only fair that the students, that they deserve a fair hearing of what they want. I think all they require is an aspirational figure to look up to, somebody with a large body of work, not a large body of work, but with a body of work which they can aspire or they can be inspired from. I think the institutional autonomy is also very important. There's certain guidelines that students have to follow in an institute, but when you come from an institute of art, I think there needs to be a freedom of speech. There needs to be a dialogue